Renewable energy, what is it? What is our understanding of renewable energy? It is a natural fuel source. It is an endless supply of external energy. That energy is converted using a mechanical system into electricity. The standard sources are light from the sun and the movement of wind and water. Is there another form of renewable energy that does not depend on external energy, a form of energy that uses internal energy? The standard is fusion, but there is another. The MECREGEN is an energy conversion system that uses an internal energy system that does not require external energy or has no effect on the environment. The internal energy is a magnetic mechanical energy system powered by electricity that is converted into motion. Part of that motion is used to turn a generator that produces electricity, forming renewable energy. The system produces clean renewable transportation with endless range, clean renewable electricity with endless duration, and renewable electricity can power the atmospheric water generator producing clean renewable water with endless drinking water. Welcome to the new understanding of renewable energy. Let's sum it up. The MECREGEN, configured in the MECREGEN Renewable Generator, provides the world with clean renewable electricity. Configured in the MECREGEN Renewable Engine, provides the world with clean renewable transportation. Ending the world's reliance on fossil fuels, ending the burning of fossil fuels for transportation, electricity generation, and water purification, and mitigating the increase in climate change. We are bringing the world clean renewable transportation, clean renewable electricity, and clean renewable water. For more information, go to our website www.mecregen.com. We can be contacted at info@mecregen.com. Thank you for your time.